Meta and EssilorLuxottica have unveiled the next generation of Ray-Ban Meta smart glasses, featuring a completely redesigned form factor, enhanced audio and camera capabilities, and new features like live streaming and Meta AI integration. Design and comfort. The new Ray-Ban Meta smart glasses are lighter and more comfortable to wear than the previous generation, with a reduced weight and overall profile in all directions. The glasses are also water-resistant, IPX4. Audio. The new glasses feature brand new, custom-built speakers that offer a wider bass range, greater maximum volume, and better directional audio that reduces audio leaking for better calls, music, and podcasts, even in windy or loud settings. Additionally, the newly built 5-microphone array offers immersive audio recording, allowing you to capture noises in front of you, from the sides, from the back, and even above, precisely as you experienced them while you were filming. Camera. The new Ray-Ban Meta smart glasses feature an ultra-wide 12MP camera that can capture high-quality photos and 1080p videos lasting up to 60 seconds. You can even share images straight from your glasses to your friends and family with just a voice command. Performance. The new Ray-Ban Meta smart glasses are powered by the all-new Qualcomm Snapdragon AR1 Gen 1 platform, which enables faster computation and better image and video processing. The glasses also come with a sleek and redesigned charging case that is even smaller and sleeker and can contain up to 8 extra charges, for a total of 36 hours of usage. New features. The new Ray-Ban Meta smart glasses also feature a number of new features, including live streaming. You can now live stream directly from your glasses to Facebook or Instagram, hands-free. Meta AI. Meta's cutting-edge conversational assistant, has been integrated into Ray-Ban Meta smart glasses. You can interact with Meta AI using your voice alone to initiate creation, get information, and operate features. Over 150 customizable frame and lens combinations. You can mix and match to create your own unique pair of glasses on ray-ban.com, with over 150 customizable frame and lens combinations available on the Ray-Ban Remix platform. The glasses are now compatible with prescription lenses as well. Availability and pricing. The new Ray-Ban Meta smart glasses are available in matte black and shiny black, and the classic Wayfarer style, as well as a brand new headliner design. Prices start at $299 and the glasses go on sale in shops and online on October 17. Pre-orders are now being accepted on meta.com and ray-ban.com. The new Ray-Ban Meta smart glasses are the most advanced smart glasses on the market, with a sleek design, enhanced audio and camera capabilities, and new features like live streaming and Meta AI integration. If you're looking for a pair of smart glasses that can do it all, the Ray-Ban Meta smart glasses are the perfect choice for you.